Understanding Long Ferry Wait in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, long ferry wait. Whether you're traveling or just learning English, understanding this phrase can be very useful. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. Long ferry wait might sound straightforward, but let's break it down. The word long here refers to something that takes a considerable amount of time. Ferry is a type of boat used to carry passengers and sometimes vehicles across a body of water. And wait, that's the time you spend standing or sitting until something happens. So, when we say long ferry wait, we're talking about a situation where you have to wait for a significant amount of time to board or use a ferry. Now, let's see how to use long ferry wait in real-life situations. Imagine you're traveling and need to cross a river or a channel. You might say, "I hope there's no long ferry wait today." This means you don't want to spend a lot of time waiting for the ferry. Another example could be, "The long ferry wait was tiresome, but the views were worth it." Here, you're expressing that although the wait was long, the experience was rewarding. Understanding long ferry wait is not just about language, it's about culture and practicality too. In many places, ferries are a crucial mode of transport. Knowing this phrase can help you in planning trips, understanding local news, or even in casual conversations with locals about their daily commute. And that's a wrap on long ferry wait. Remember, phrases like this are not just words but windows into daily life and culture. We hope this video has been helpful in your English learning journey. Keep practicing, and you'll be mastering these phrases in no time. See you in the next video.